Good
It smells expensive. Oh, that's what I mean.
You know what I mean?
All right. It smells expensive. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Weekend Smile. We're here getting ready for you. And yes, exactly, the dress. I'm going to give some. You see, everybody complain about Sakina big bag. But guess what? Everybody usually want things out of the big bag because when the hair dry, who have stuff to put in there to moisturize?
When your ankle dry.
When your ankle dry, who have lotion?
When your ear want brush.
Deodorant, who have deodorant?
When your ear want brush.
See?
I don't complain about the big bag, you know. I don't complain about it.
Lie, you always allowed me up with my bag.
You look nice though.
Oh my gosh.
You look nice though.
Thanks, but you don't tell somebody that them look nice after you just give yourself a compliment.
No, I'm saying.
That's not how it works.
Oh,
you don't be like,
all
oh,
right.
yo, me look nice. Yeah, you look nice too.
Here, I'm going to start again. You look very nice this week.
Thanks to Sabatru for decking me out this morning in the wonderful jumpsuit that I have on and the shoes and such. Gotta love them.
Can I say it now?
Yes, you can say it.
Nice.
Yes, you look nice. Lord of mercy. Mercy me. Please. Oh, now come and get him this morning. So how was your week?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you, it's been a trying week, but we're carrying on. As I said, I met a older lady this week, and she reminded me that as much as life is tough, the day gets bright. Yeah, joy comes in the morning. So
that's right.
Keep on keeping on.
So we're going to bring a little bit of joy into your life this morning. It's Saturday, and we've got the energy, and we're ready for you. Coming up on today's show, we're going to debunk some popular beauty myths.
I'm glad you said it.
Yes, he didn't want to say the word myths. He said, say it.
Myths. Is myth?
Myths.
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 Like moths.
Like moths? I struggled with that word this morning. But then we segue to trends, making it in the beauty world.
And then in our favorite part of the show, Chef John Comrie with some breakfast for us. And we heard TVJ.com setting up for the show. Wiki. And the mixes are great. So you're going to have fun this morning. Weekend Smile starts. Oh, by the way, I never get to point this out. Please take notes. Blue, red, push up my foot now. Red, blue, you have to turn it side to right. All right, X-Style. Sure. You get props this morning for the match. Sure, all right.
No, I'm sure.
Weekend Smile
Done the show. Done the show. Done the show.
Come on.
On your face is like you're right upon the line. Girls, I can't wait to give you. Trying to mix up the original. What do you have now? Hello. Hey, follow me. Come follow me now. Kaboom. Mix this. Man. Boy, I'm gonna rush them like a pit bull. Mix with the ratty. Trying to mix up the original. What do you have now? Hello. Hey, follow me. Come follow me now. Mix this. Man. Boy, I'm gonna rush them like a pit bull. Mix with the ratty. Knock them like a rifle. Mix with the shotty. And over them, love the watchy, chatty like a peeping Tom mix. With the motor massy, trying to mix up the original. With carbon copy. Don't mix the marrow.
So I knew there was a reason why him did put together and look put together this morning. Him just tell me, says him girlfriend just him, there's always a woman behind when a man look this nice. Well, not really. Some men just have it naturally, right, boo? But not you. Well, we've got a few trendy stops this morning. But first, it's the trending topics. World 110-meter hurdles gold medalist Omar McLeod and swimming ace Alia Atkinson were crowned the RJR Gleaner Sports Foundation's National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year at last night's awards ceremony held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston. The 25-year-old McLeod, he's only 25? Wow. The national record holder for the event won the award for the first time in his career after being runner-up to Usain Bolt last year. Bolt, who retired last year after earning a bronze medal in the every time I ever say it. Earning a bronze medal in the men's 100 meters. Maybe just say it fast. Blah, 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 blah. At the IAAF World Championships in London, was named runner-up. Atkinson, who was also runner-up last year, lifted her second Sportswoman of the Year award, having won the first title in 2014. She won this year's award ahead of last year's World Championships 400-meter hurdles bronze medalist Ristanana Tracy. I said it right.
Yes.
You know, all long ways to hurt myself to pronounce her name right. Ristanana. I love it. So congrats, guys. Big up yourself. Y'all deserve it because I could never be an athlete. I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, and even though that women's award, though, even Aliyah thought Ristanana would have won it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I thought she would have won it.
I know that you're very sportsy.
Yeah, well, it was a great
night. You
went?
No. So why never go?
When they were play dominoes.
Right. Right.
Taurus Riley, singing himself, is the headline the popular music showcase More Life 2018 in the UK later this year. He'll be joined by Sham, Jamil, David Rodigan, and Bass Odyssey. The event is produced by leading UK record platform Flames Radio, an independent station known to stage successful live events throughout the year. A record number of 5,000 attendees were at the More Life 2016, which featured Spice, Agent Saska, and Taurus Riley. The More Life brand is currently celebrating its 10th anniversary.
Well, you know, we have a
huge,
huge diaspora in the UK. So I wouldn't expect that we wouldn't have a huge following in terms of this as well.
Yeah,
so
and there are things in UK called grime music.
Called what?
Grime music. It's kind of like dancehall-ish.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. If you listen to it, I mean, it's kind of more serious than dancehall, in a sense, but yeah.
Okay. Well, big up yourself. I hope you guys have a good day. I mean, Taurus never lets anybody down when he has a performance. So. Graveyard.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Go listen to that.
Yeah. Listen to it.
It's a message that we really need to hear in this time. All right? Well, in the wake of the return of Roseanne, the Full House spin-off, and talks of a Moesha reboot, comedian Jackie Harry came on, I'm not going to say confirmed, but she said that another 90s reboot is in the works. According to Harry, a sister-sister reboot is definitely happening. Just months after both Tia Mowry, Hardick, and, well, we call her Hardick. Everybody knows that she's married, right? And her twin sister, Tamara Mowry, hinted at the possibility of a remake. Harry confirmed the news on the Steve Harvey Show on Tuesday. All right, well, I watched, what name the show with Tia
all of the girls.
Yeah, well, that, and
all the ladies, sorry.
Ladies, yes, right. And she said that it hasn't been confirmed because they have a lot of things to put in place in terms of making sure it's actually going to happen and come to TV, but it's quite possible that it's going to happen.
How am I going to do that?
Huh?
How am I going to do that? Like,
what do you mean?
I mean,
just going to be an older version, I suppose.
Oh, older versions.
Then them all.
Yeah, but
like
they
me,
probably...
Like you cuss me all the time, I'm my granny.
I don't cuss
me and them are the same age.
Granny here, not a granny here. On the oldest.
Well, I look forward to that. You used to watch it?
Yeah, man.
Sister.
My favorite part is sister, when them tell Roger to go home.
Go home, Roger. That's like you.
Please don't.
Go home, Extol. Anyway, that's a wrap for the... That's a wrap for the trending topics. What do you think about these stories? Continue the discussion on our social media pages. You know what those are. Twitter, Facebook, and of course, Instagram, SmackDownTVJ.com. Yeah.
Some cry, some smile, some fight every day. We rise to the top, 'cause we know what it takes. Through it all we survive, yet still hold the faith. Unchangeable, Lord unchangeable. Hey, no matter how the dollar might stack up, me still not change, me I go stay rough. Inna the giddy and you have to buckle up your lace. Be smart, don't be a cuff, no, no. Life it's a journey, it's a long race. Mama says son be wise and don't bring disgrace. So me take up the broom and start sweep the place. Cause all these ways they got to get erased. I love to me people that me embrace. The truth are the truth and that can't erase. So hell to all of those who want hate. Just send me to finish this race. So we ain't giving